Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I have for you my project pan update for the month of June. It's the 5th update. Let's just jump into it. I have the stuff behind me. I will grab my phone for my list and we will go from the order of how they're rolled in basically. So the first product I will show you is basically the first one the one that's been the longest in the project basically. Okay, so let's just hop right in. And the first one is, I think that was a prompt, someone that already has a pan. And for this I have this Wet n Wild single eyeshadow in the color Brulee. And I'm so close to finishing it. This is how it looks. You also have pictures of the products, how they looked last update, if it was significant. For some I just didn't take pictures, but yeah, this one, it's almost done. It's also crumbling a bit. It's also the second time I have panned because I repressed it because it shattered on me. I think at some point I dropped it. So yeah, I mean by next time like it has to be finished, so that's not even like not even a question. Alright, the next product is gonna be an eyeshadow, and I think this one is like in it for the long run or something. And I had last update I still had 34 uses left on it. I used 13 times, which means I still have 21 uses to go for the next month. Let's see if I manage, to be honest, because I don't know, but I will show you how the eyeshadow looks. So it is this one in the corner. As you can see, it has a pan. It has taken me, well, years literally to hit the pan, as you can tell. These are very like firmly pressed eyeshadows, but you definitely get your money's worth with them. So yeah, that's the one, and I had 20 more uses left on this one. I also right away I'm gonna maybe mention the next, the one next to it, the one in the corner here. I had, my goal for this one was to use it 20 times, and I did manage to do that. As you can see, there's a bit of a dip, but not much at all. It's gonna again take me years to even hit pan. So yeah, but this one is rolling out, which this is good because I've had this I mean, yeah, I'm gonna be really glad when this one rolls out because I've been using it non-stop basically. Then I had this Annabelle mineral powder foundation, like a loose foundation, and I had a goal of using it 6 times, and I mean there's no pictures because I mean the progress is barely visible. You need the tiniest amount. But I actually use it as a bronzer and not a foundation because it's way too dark for me, but I wanted to still use it a bit, so that's why I went to use it as a bronzer. It was nice for that, but yeah, like for foundation, way too dark. I don't even know if in summer it's gonna match me. I just bought it a bit too dark, so trying to at least get some use out of it in some kind of a way. Then I had this Ethos lip liner, and I had 4 uses left on this one, and I managed to do that. It's just like a twist up lip liner. I don't know if it's gonna be much of a difference. I don't know if I was like tracking it with like on a paper. I will have a look. If I was, you're gonna see the paper, like the picture of the paper up here. But yeah, it's a nice one. I also actually bought recently a different color of it, or is this the new one? I think it's the new one actually, could be. So yeah, this was a nice one, and it's also rolling out. Then I have this product from Bioderma. I'm not sure if it was for like a vacation or summer prompt or skincare, I don't know. But it's this SPF. As you can tell, I'm almost finished. I can see through it. I'm actually still surprised there's anything coming out of it. I thought it's gonna be done this month, but I guess it's stuck like here on the edges. But yeah, I am enjoying this SPF, so I'm not mad at it. But yeah, you will see the pictures of how it's looking now. so you can see for yourself how little I have left on this. But it's still staying for, well, I would say it's not going to even last a month, but it's staying for that 1 month. Then for the prompt body care, I chose this body butter from a company called Bubbles at Home, and I had the goal of using it 30 times. I used it 8. Yeah, I hit like the bottom or whatever, but there's still quite a bit of product left, as you can tell. So it's just because like you go in the middle for the product, that's why it happened. But yeah, I used 8 times, which leaves me with 22. I don't think that's possible for me in 1 month, to be honest. Okay, it's like a bit of a thicker formula, and if it's gonna get hot, for sure not gonna reach the 22 uses. Last month I added this lip liner from a company called Wycon. Don't even know if they still exist, to be honest. And 01 Rosa. And I used it twice, I think. And my goal was 10 times, so definitely it's staying. There's no difference because I didn't even sharpen it. I just used it like this. I'm also wearing it now, just actually this alone on my lips. I do enjoy it, so I'm also glad to be using it again because I kind of forgot about it, you know? So yeah, it's still staying. And then for concealer, I have this Maybelline Instant Age Eraser 00 Ivory. My goal is to use this one up. It's not my favorite, to be honest. I don't like how it looks after a few hours or like after a full day on my face. Here you have the markings of where it was the previous time, if it would like to focus on it. Yes, so you see the marking. Haven't made a new one yet, but you can clearly see where the product is. So 1 or 2 months still in the project. Like I said, not my favorite one, so I don't really use it too much. Obviously you can see it in the progress, but I do want to use it up and just, I'm not gonna buy it again. I think it's my second try with this product and I'm just not a fan, to be honest. So to sum up, we're rolling out this Annabelle Minerals powder loose foundation thing, the lip liner, and this eyeshadow right here, because I hit my goals on all of them. So that means I'm gonna get to choose 3 new products. I have my list of prompts on my phone. I will open my app and I hope it's gonna remember the previous numbers, so we will prevent rerolls. 3 numbers from 1 to 41. I have my own list of prompts basically. And let's see what we get. 15 is a from previous project pan. Okay. 30, no love product. Alright. And 36 is actually already in the project, so let's go again. Number 3, baked. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll pick my products and I will show you what I got. Okay, so I am back with my products and they are gonna be first from previous project pan, then no love product, and the last one is gonna be baked. So I'm gonna show you what they are and what my goals are for each of them. So from previous project pan, from last year actually, I have this Everline Brow Gel, and there's still a little bit left, but obviously I can't see how much because yeah, the packaging isn't see-through. But I just want to use it 30 times. Is that too much? I was gonna say use it up, but I don't know how long that's gonna take me. Oh yeah, let's just do that. Let's do use up. So use up on this one. No clue how much I have left, but it can't be that much since I already had it last year in the project pan as well. Then a no love product. It's a bit tricky for me because like I thought I really loved these like transparent white looking powders, and this one is barley loose powder, but I think I discovered ones that I like a bit more. I'm trying it to get to settle so I can show you exactly where I'm at. This is where I am at. Hope you can see it. And my goal is going to be to use this one up. I'm actually going to go mark it now. So that's where it is, where the line is. I would say a month or two, because it's a big packaging, as you can tell. So a month or two, hopefully. And it's also expiring actually next month, so I'd love to finish it before that, just to get my money's worth out of it. It has like a puff thing, but yeah, it's also very bulky. But I do think I have one more of these somewhere, so need to rotate them out for some better ones. So yeah, that's that. And baked, I actually only have baked highlighters, and I have two of them. One is, the packaging is broken, like the lid, so I know I will not reach for it. And then I have this trio from Golden Rose, which I've had this for years, honestly, but it still works. And basically I want to show you how it looks like. They're quite flat now, I would say. They were like dome-shaped products, of course. And now they're getting flatter. The flattest one is the middle one, because I think I used it the most, which makes sense. This one has the most product still. But what I'm trying to do now is mix the pink and the bronzy one and use them together. And kind of you leave the gold one alone. I think I'll do a usage goal, because there's no way I'm gonna hit any pan. Like I said, I had it for years. So how much do I say? If I say 20, it's gonna be done in a month. I'm gonna say 40, then it's probably gonna be 2 months in, but then I get some good use out of it. So I'm gonna say 40. So we have use up for the other two and 40 uses for this one. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this project pan. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see from me, maybe some other videos, video ideas, and let me know what you panned recently. Yeah, that will be all. I will see you next week. Bye!